property viewers, welcome to another property tour. Today we're at the Jewels of Sinclair and we will be looking at this newly constructed apartment. It consists of 12 units and only a few are available for sale. However, today we're going to be looking at a 2-bedrooms, 2-bathroom apartment that is on the market for only 38 million Jamaican dollars. We want to thank Craig Brown, Realtor of Sotheby's International Realty, for having us today to take a look at this unit. Property viewers, I want to remind you to leave us a comment, subscribe to our channel, and like this video. Let's go on the inside to view this lovely listing. Property viewers, as you can see, we're at one of our common areas. We're at the pool, and here we have turf and travertine tile finish. We also have at this complex 24 hours security. We have underground parking, we have an elevator, and we also have wheelchair access. Additionally, I want to highlight that our common areas are powered by solar, and we have a backup generator system as well as water tank systems installed. Now let us take a look at the green spaces that we have. So as you can see, these palms, they're beautiful. However, they're freshly planted and they are coming. We have on our building, we have our stacked stone finish, and it is nicely complemented by the glass finish that we have on the exterior of our building. Property viewers, this apartment complex is still doing minor finishing touches, so you will see that while we do this tour. However, the finishes are lovely. So I want to take you to look at another green space that we have. So you see that we have some palms planted here with our zaza grass, and as I said earlier, all of these are freshly planted, so in no time you will see them flourishing. The rain is coming, guys, so let's head inside and look at our unit. So on this level, we have our elevator, and we have a number of units on this level as well. As you can see, we have a very nice, spacious entryway, and we could take the elevator, but I prefer we take the stairs. So let's head upstairs. Welcome to the first level, guys. So here is our unit. It is approximately 1,200 square feet of living space. But before we go inside, I want to highlight this door to you. So you know I have a thing for dark stained solid wooden door. And this one is really tall. I love it. Look at this smart security feature. This is additional security. Let's go inside. guys, so upon entering we have this space that I would love to see a tall mirror on the wall, and right off the space we have an area where we could put our entry table. So here we have our kitchen, but before we enter, look at the island that we have. We can put our stools here and they can be nicely tucked under the counter when they are not in use. So here is where we would put our stove, and above you will see that we have storage and we have frosted glasses on this level, and I love the fixture there. We have granite countertops and double sink. And look at this faucet. All right. We have our drawers and additional storage beneath our counter. Our counter space extends all the way to this section where we have our space for our refrigerator. We also have additional storage to the side and above it. So we have a lot of storage space. I want to show you the storage that we have on our island as well. So here you'll see that we have our wine rack. And if you come around this side with me, we have storage here as well. And here we have additional storage. We have a seasoning rack right here. Okay, so right off our kitchen, we have this space that we can utilize as our dining area. A really nice dining table set could go here, and then it flows into our living space. Now, I'm envisioning a sectional couch right here, and we mount our television on the wall, and this space would be our living area. Now, I know that you are looking at these frosted glass doors that we have here, and behind these doors is additional storage space. You may use this space as your linen closet. We also have additional storage above. All right, so here we have our powder room. We have our pedestal vanity and our toilet, and as you can see, the recessed light is also in this. So guys, I want to bring your attention to the ceiling. And here we have our recessed lights, and here we will have a ceiling fan installed that will come with the unit. Now I want to take your attention to the floor. We have lovely porcelain tiles, and just look how the recessed lights reflect nicely on our floors. All right, so now look at this very big slide door that we have here. This just lets the outside in, and we have our balcony. On our balcony, you will have access to your laundry room. And you see that the frosted glass doors are consistent throughout this unit. So here we have the porcelain floor tiles once again. We have our tub, and you can easily fit your stackable washer and dryer unit inside here. You could also fit them as single units as well. So So this is our balcony and it gives us a really lovely view of our community. Let's head back inside. Now I want you to take note that our sliding doors are tinted. Our windows are also tinted. Let's head inside. So now we're going to be looking at our bedrooms. So here is bedroom number 1. This is our secondary bedroom. We have high ceilings with our recessed lights, our pipings for our AC, and we have our electrical wiring for our ceiling fan that will be installed. We have these tall, beautiful windows that gives us a lovely view of the mountains up by Red Hills, and the porcelain floor tiles, they continue throughout. We have our ensuite. And in here, you will find that we have the granite countertops as well on our vanity. And these really nice wall tiles. We have our glass enclosure shower stall, and our rain shower head will be installed very soon. Currently, this is the fixture that we have in our shower, but the rain shower head will be installed in short order. Inside here, we also have our closet space. Loving these cubbies that we have here. We have additional storage space above us, and you can see that our recessed lights, they continue throughout this space as well. We have our racks, and this is a good use of space. Now let's head to the primary bedroom suite. Recessed lights again. Inside here is very lit because of this very big window that we have. They are tinted, so if you don't want to let in all the sun rays, you can close them, you can put up your blinds and just close out all of that. So again, we have our tray ceilings with our recessed lights, wiring for our ceiling fan that will be installed, our AC unit, lovely floor tiles here. We have our walk-in closet with our frosted glass, our cubbies, high ceilings, additional storage space at the top. We have our racks here. Really cute. And then we have our ensuite. It's very similar to the one that we saw next door, however it's bigger. So we have a bigger vanity, we have storage space, our granite countertops, and once again, our rain shower head will be installed in our glass enclosure shower stall. And this, look at this. Let's go, guys. So property viewers, As you can see, this is an absolutely beautiful apartment. This complex has only 12 units and only a few are remaining. This unit is all of 1,200 square feet of living space, and it is on the market for only 38 million Jamaican dollars. If you are interested in this property, remember to contact the listing agent, Craig Brown. His contact information will be in the description box, as well as it will be at the end of this video. Property viewers, please remember to like this video, leave us a comment. Neville and I love to hear from you, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next property tour. Bye.